thought your sister was outside.
Like, yeah, so, it's a big deal.
Yes, Munch, this is outdoors. Isn't it interesting? No window in the way. Move away from the door. It's like, no.
Now you're expecting miracles.
No, I'm not moving away from the safety of the door. Silly cat. Munchie.
I'm just going to sit here.
Come here, Munch. Come here. Come on. It's a car. Go. And back inside.
And another one.